Hello, and welcome to another update on Solana. Solana has performed really well today. So the price dipped into our support region only earlier today. We looked at the chart and said, well, entirely possible the wave 4 is now bottomed. I mean, it landed in the support region. So the idea for 5 waves up was still alive, okay, and got some further support today with the price rallying higher and already reaching my targets. I mean, just in the last video, I shared with you what my next upside targets are. They are between $192 and $199. Especially here, the area around 192 to 193 appears an ideal target area. So, I mean, most of that rally in wave 5 is likely done. That being said, if we see a break above this zone, which ends at $200, I think maybe something else is playing out, something more aggressively bullish. That means with that 5-wave move up, we have some further confirmation that indeed a wave 2 bottomed in August, here on the 2nd of August. And the idea of a larger degree wave 2 is becoming far less likely. Not impossible, of course, but far less likely. So we continue, hold on. As always, we continue to watch for higher prices as long as support levels are holding and as long as we see 5-wave movements to the upside and 3-wave movements to the downside. This here is clearly a 5-wave move up, at least at the moment it is. And as I said to you, if it breaks above 200, that would not be so ideal, because then the 5-wave move will turn more into a larger 3-wave move. So that is something we need to track. Together. I am not going to predict here that wave 2 starts until I see some downside momentum, or at least a break below a certain level, which I'll share with you in a minute. For now, this looks like a textbook 5-wave move up. It's just that this 5th wave moved up in a very, very direct and aggressive fashion. Because I'm tracking here a diagonal pattern, an ABC structure within wave 5 was something I was watching for, like a well-defined one, but didn't get it. The market was even more directly bullish, aggressive than the ideal structure suggested. But I mean, there is an ABC. It's just, yeah, you just don't see much of a structure in there. Okay, so important is we've moved from support into resistance. So question is, when do we get a first indication that a local top is in? And that would be a break below the 50% retracement of that last rally. And that is currently located at $182.47. Once we get a break below this level, this is micro support. We have some initial evidence that wave 2 has started. I will then add support for wave 2 when it's appropriate, maybe over the coming sessions. For now, there is certainly no low risk entry here. That was earlier today when the price hit Fibonacci support. That's why these boxes are there. Same here, early in August, and same even in April, right, where we had another support area. So far, Solana is following those projections for higher prices. And once we get a pullback, then that can be an opportunity because we have a 5-wave move up. So I'll keep you updated about that. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, feel free to check out our channel page, where you can find a video at the top that explains the membership benefits. So, for example, as a member, you get access to our weekly member live stream every Sunday. We cover typically around 40 coins in these live streams. Recording is available. In addition to that, you get access to member-only videos. Today, I uploaded, for example, AVAX. Then I uploaded Fetch AI yesterday. We uploaded Casper, Pengu. And in addition to that, if you're interested in the Discord server access, you can join as a gold member and you get access to additional chat rooms, additional charts, live charts, an Elliott wave course, a risk management course, and much more. So see you over there. Thanks so much. Have a great day. Bye-bye.